Welcome to part 2 of our profit sharing plan insight videos. In this video, we are going to discuss why you would want to choose a profit sharing plan. If you're a business owner, establishing a profit sharing plan can be a great way to boost your own retirement savings and the savings of your employees. You can have a profit sharing plan and another retirement plan, too. Think of a profit sharing plan as a supplement to the 401k, not a replacement. You'll still likely want to offer a 401k to encourage employees to take part in building their own retirement savings with pre-tax dollars. A business of any size can establish a profit-sharing plan. A generous plan can help you attract and retain talent, and you'll still have the flexibility to ease up on contributions in lean years. You can also make contributions in years when you don't turn a profit if you'd like. Although it's called a profit-sharing plan, there is no rule that says your contributions must come from profit. One of the biggest benefits of profit-sharing plans is that they can motivate employees. So, although profit-sharing plans have higher administrative costs than SEP IRAs or simple IRAs, the very name of a profit-sharing plan can get workers fired up about increasing company profits. There's a simple explanation. If employees know they're getting bonuses, either in cash or as contributions to a retirement account, they'll likely feel that they have more of a stake in the success of the company. And that's good news for you and your bottom line. Whether a profit-sharing plan is right for your business will depend on a number of factors, such as what you want to accomplish with it and how many employees you have that could participate. There is a cost to this type of plan, but it can also be a recruiting tool to help you attract and maintain high-value employees and make them a partner in growing your business. Consider working with a financial advisor if you're looking for more concrete advice on your specific financial situation. They can help you build a financial plan and even manage your assets to help grow your wealth. Thank you for joining us for the final Profit Sharing Plan short video series, and remember to join us for our other retirement topic videos. For more information, or to better understand what your retirement plan could look like, take the questionnaire linked in the video description.